Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do a dumpling sauce. We've had this big huge bag of dumplings that Jim bought, frozen. They are in the freezer. They've been rolling around in there for a couple months, so we need to do something with it. Obviously not making dumplings today. We'll make dumplings another day. Today we're going to make sauce. We'll steam those dumplings off. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Hey everybody, Cooking with Corey here. Hey, I forgot to add in my video that on April 6th, we got a new collab going on with Smoking Bears. Pay, Bear Cup, all the Smoking Bears. It is hashtag peanut butter. Drop on April 6th. So everybody that wants to join, please add your videos to hashtag peanut butter. April 6th. Let's get it going, guys. Alright. Today our ingredients are simple. This is going to be quick. It's going to be delicious. So today we got rice wine vinegar. I got seasoned. You can use non-seasoned. Light soy sauce. We got ginger. I couldn't find fresh in the little grocery store I was in today, so I bought this squeeze kind. Definitely use fresh if you can find it. Toasted sesame oil. Some parsley to make it look frou-frou later. Got a hot pepper here. I got a habanero out of our garden. It was froze, so we're going to cut that up, put that in there, not a lot of it. Some sesame seed, and some scallion, and some water. Other than that, that's how simple this recipe is going to be today. Let's get it going. Alright, let's get this going. It's really simple today. So we're going to start out with, we got 1/2 cup of water here. It's going to go into a pan. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. So we got our light soy sauce is what we're using today. So we need to do a 1/2 cup of this. And we're using light, less sodium. You know, you use the full power if you want, but so we got a 1/2 cup of that. That goes into our pan. And then we got rice wine vinegar. Another 1/2 cup of good old rice wine vinegar. So that goes in. Let's get that poured in. There we go. What we're going to do next, we are going to add, I'm going to add 5 teaspoons of sugar to this, which I did show in the we're doing ingredients. 5 teaspoons of sugar. This is going to go over on the stove. We're going to bring it up to a boil. Alright, while we got that pan going, we're going to do a little bit of scallion. This will be for our, well, it's a little bit of flavor and a little bit of garnish into our dumpling sauce. So a little bit of scallion. We'll do our bowl over here, like so. And obviously we got to put something hot there. So we'll use a little bit of this habanero. Definitely not going to use all this. I mean, that's a lot of heat. This little bad boy. Obviously we grow these in the garden during the spring and summer, and then we freeze them, so we can use them whenever we want. So we could put a little habanero or a little peppers in about anything, any time of the year. So nice little chop here. Get that pretty fine. You do not want to get a big chunk of habanero on your dumpling because it's going to light you up. Alright, we're going to toast the sesame seeds. Toast some of these bad boys. And we'll get that ingredients up. We'll get some parsley chopped and we'll be back. Alright, we're hot off a boil, let it cool down a little bit. We need to add some flavor to our sauce that we got here. But that doesn't have enough, so there's gonna go our habanero in there. We're gonna do some of our scallion, our toasted sesame seeds. Those all go in. Let's get a tablespoon of them. A little bit of parsley, and a couple other things. So, like I said before, I couldn't find the good old fresh ginger today, so 4 teaspoons of ginger. 2, 3, that's probably that's like 4. Toasted sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons. Give that a stir. Alright, that's going to be our sauce for our dumplings. Dumplings are getting steamed at the moment, and we'll put it together. Alright guys, time to plate this delicious dumplings and sauce. Hey guys, we're gonna get Jen taste test this. Hey, that's Cooking with Corey. We'll be back with a taste test. Alright guys, time for Jen to do her taste test. So here we go. Go ahead.
Very good. I think I'll have another.
You gonna have another?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you wanna do the outro, or you want me to do it? You remember it? Like?
Wait.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey.
You got it.